I am so hungry. It's like 3 p.m. and I haven't eaten yet today. But I did take a nap. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash kind of evaluation on the price of the Jeffree Star Skin Frosts. Now, I would like to say that I am a little bit biased because Jeffree Star is without a doubt my favorite makeup brand, and I just love almost every single one of the products. I think they are adorable and really girly. I'm pretty damn girly. So I'm just gonna get into it, talk you through the pros, the cons, and kind of what I love about them. So I'm gonna talk through them in the order that I kind of bought them and got them and tested them out. So today I'm actually wearing one of them. I am wearing the Jeffree Star Eclipse, and this is the collaboration with Manny MUA. I don't think they're friends anymore, but I could be wrong. I literally do not really understand beauty guru drama. I don't really keep up with it. So yeah, this is probably the worst one that I have. It's okay on your cheekbones, but just in your inner corners, it looks wrong. It falls weirdly on your skin. So kind of look how much I'm digging into this, and that's sort of however much you get, and then sort of a bit patchy, not that blinding. It is really cute. I love that he has a black one, and this is sort of rainbow holographic, sort of like the Fenty Beauty kind of aesthetic. I do think that the colour is so promising. It's a beautiful kind of muted champagne gold, and it has, it's so promising, man. It's literally gorgeous, but the pigmentation, and it's so crumbly, you can see it's just not there. I will not be throwing this away because, I mean, it still looks pretty good on your cheeks, and it's sort of more natural than his other Skin Frost. But I would say that if you're going to invest £25.50 in a Jeffree Star Skin Frost, I would not recommend this one. That is not to say that I would not recommend buying one though, and you will see. So yeah, not the biggest fan of this one, but if you're into kind of like a crumbly formula, maybe you like the way it falls on your skin, don't know why you would, but maybe you do, I'd recommend it. Peach Goddess, oh yeah, this one, oh, it's a dream. It is obviously a peachy tone, and it looks a lot darker in the pan than it looks on your skin. This one is butter, literal butter, absolutely stunning. Let's look at the comparison, okay, you ready? You saw I touched on the exact same amount. Blinding, blinding, sis. I'm gonna put a little bit under my brow bone and you can just see, like, wow, I've got a little bit on my brow. But look at that, that is present, it is accounted for, it is here, and it's just absolutely stunning. I would say this is my favorite one that I have. It is really natural looking on your cheeks. I would say it's pretty good for pale skin. I only have the ones that are good for pale skin. This is just absolutely beautiful. It's buttery. The pan size, again, absolutely massive. I use this every day. I used it every day for about a month, and it still looks pretty much brand new. I would say this one is definitely worth the £25.50 or the dollars or however much it costs you, because it is stunning, perfect, absolute gem of a product. Jeffree, good job on this one. Then my last Skin Frost is Siberian Gold. Now, ironically, this isn't my favorite, but I find myself reaching for it the most, and I think it's because it's sort of the most common shade, because obviously Peach Goddess has kind of an orangey undertone. You're not really expecting it from a highlight. You'd expect kind of like a gold or a champagne. Not quite as good as Peach Goddess, but it's definitely up there. I would say this is kind of an in-between formula, it's at the top there, of the Peach Goddess and the Eclipse, leaning obviously more towards the Peach Goddess side. It's a beautiful warm-toned gold, and it looks stunning on the eyes. When I want to use this, I tend to like spray my highlight brush and then put it on, just to make it pop even more, because you gotta glow to the god's hands. You gotta glow. So, would I recommend them? Yes, I would definitely recommend them. I would say don't really go for his Eclipse if it's still on sale. I'm not sure if it is. Definitely go for Peach Goddess if you're of a paler skin tone like myself. Do not go for Eclipse. Not a good one. I wouldn't recommend spending £26 on it. If it was cheaper, I would say that it was worth kind of trying out if it might work for you. But for £26, I really wouldn't take the risk. Yes, I would recommend Jeffree Star's products, but definitely listen to the reviews on what you're buying. I don't regret this purchase at all. I still love it. I still think it's a great highlighter, but it just is not the same quality and standard as the rest of his highlighters are. So that is my review. I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, bye-bye.